Hey guys, and welcome back. And if you are new, welcome, and it is so good to have you, and I hope you'll continue to watch my videos by hitting that subscribe button down below. Today's video is going to be the 5 off 25, and it is going to be for Saturday. Before we jump into the breakdown, be sure you're hitting that bell notification so you are notified each and every time I upload a deal. So, the first thing you are going to want to pick up is the Centrum vitamins. They are priced at $5, and we have that $4 off digital. The Arm & Hammer Power Packs is $3.95, and we have the $3 off digital. The Love's Diapers is $6.50, and we have the $1.50 off digital. The Aleve Back and Muscle is $3.75, and we have the $3 off digital. The Tide Simply is $2.95, and we have the $1 off digital. The Always Liners is $3, and we have the $2 off digital. So for all of these items, your total is going to come to $25.15. You're going to use the 5 off 25 other paper or digital coupon. Then you have $14.50 in digital coupons. So $25.15 minus your 5 off 25 minus your $14.50 in coupons is going to bring your total down to $5.65 or just 94 cents each. And that is a great deal, especially because you are getting diapers. Now, if you are not in need of diapers, I also have a breakdown posted on my channel. I posted it yesterday, so go back and watch it. It includes lots of things, but no diapers. Also, if you need a particular breakdown, be sure to drop a comment down below, and I will get to that. So, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy couponing, guys, from my home to yours. Bye, guys.